Thanks, Cathaoirleach. I'll be very brief on this, but I compliment Senator Gallagher for bringing this forward, and some of the statistics that he has given are very revealing, and I think any of us who are watching society and the way it has developed, the respect for human life in general, but particularly for those who are trying to protect the public, I think they need enhanced protections at the moment, the way our society seems to be developing. And I suppose I have in mind a particular case a number of years ago, Garda Robert McCallion, who was serving in the force, I think, in Donegal, and he was rammed by somebody who was subsequently caught and charged. And what was I know the family very, very well, and in fact they had another member in the force, Garda John McCallion, who was the community liaison officer who died recently as well, from natural causes. But in the case of Garda Robert McCallion, what was heartbreaking for the family in the subsequent court case was that the jury that were deciding on the sentence were instructed by the judge to effectively not take into account the fact that the Garda was, or that the person who was the victim was in a state or a Garda uniform. In other words, that he be regarded as a member of the public rather than a member of the Gardaí. So I don't want to make any comment on the judgment, but all I'm saying is that I think that there is need for further protections for our emergency services in society as we in 2019, and I certainly would be, and our party will be very supportive of this bill. So I compliment you on bringing it forward. Thank you.
Thank you, Senator.